Already in the Ukulele Academy, we've learned a lot of numbers. We've been able to number our scale numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. We've also learned how to number our hands, our fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then our thumb. And we've learned how to find our vertical positioning on the fretboard by numbering our strings. Strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right now, there's one more thing that we're going to be learning how to number, and that is our frets. So just like our strings give us a direction on the fretboard up and down, we know where we are up and down, our frets and our fret numbers tell us where we are left to right. It kind of acts as an XY axis on our fretboard. So let's dive right in. It's basically pretty easy. We have, well, right here is fret 0, because when we're not fretting anything, there's no need to number it. Fret 0 is also called open. So when I just pluck a string, it's just an open string. But as soon as I fret something, well, now we have to use a fret number to describe where my finger is pushing down. So, with that being said, we have fret nothing, or open. We have fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way up. In this way, we can quickly find anywhere on the fretboard by knowing what string number we're on and what fret number we're on. Here's an example. Say I said to you, find string 1, fret 3. With your ring finger. String 1, fret 3 with your ring finger. Well, then you would go, okay, using my ring finger, or finger number 3, I'd find where's string 1. String 1 is right here. That's open. Fret 1, 2, 3. This is string 1, fret number 3. Try this one along with me. Find string 3, fret 2. String 3, fret 2. Remember, we number our strings from the bottom up, and then we fret with our, we start 0, and then 1, 2, 3, all the way up. String 3, fret 2. Use your pointer finger if you're not using that already. Alright, let's check. String 3, fret 2. We have string 1, 2, 3, and then fret 1, 2. Right there is string 3, fret 2. As an aside, just note for later, we'll get more into this, and if you've had some music experience before, you'll know what this means, but we'll get more into it later, so don't worry. Note that each fret that we move is equal to 1/2 step on the piano, or on the staff. Each fret that we move is equal to 1/2 step. Let's do one more exercise. With your, okay, let's try it this way. With finger number 4, find string 4, fret 5. Woo! With finger number 4, find string 4, fret 5. Finger 4, string 4, fret 5. Let's check it. Okay, so I'm going to be using finger number 4, string 1, 2, 3, 4, fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. If you'll notice from a previous lesson, I quickly mentioned that this little dot is here in order for us to quickly mark where our frets are. So instead of having to count fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I could have just gone finger 4, string 4, fret 5, right there, because I know that first dot is where fret 5 is. String 4, fret 5.